In the laboratory, efficient cleaning of bottles is crucial. This is Bayesmart's automatic glassware washer. The robotic arm starts to work. It pulls out the basket. Robotic arm accurately places the bottles on the basket. Every action is carefully programmed. Now the basket is sent back, ready to start cleaning. The door closes automatically. The cleaning program starts. The cleaning is done. Let's see the effect. Look, the bottle after cleaning is brand new. It's ready to use. The work is done. The machine is ready for the next task. Bayesmart's automatic glassware washer. A new choice for laboratory cleaning.